Dear fellow traveler, with a long weekend to spare and a Schengen Visa at hand, Greece by car is a fantastic idea. After obtaining a quick green card for a car that only took 5 minutes, we were on our way to the Greece-Turkey border. Our first stop after crossing the border was Alexandropoli. It's a small town with not much to do, but it's a practical pit stop to eat and rest. We hit the road after eating our souvlaki at To Kokoraki. We usually eat at Lukudos when we have more time, a tavern by the sea with great seafood. After approximately a 2-hour drive, we arrived at our Airbnb in Kavala. If you have a car, don't be afraid to book an Airbnb at the more hilly parts of Kavala for a nice view. Even the most steep parts of Kavala are walkable. When you've come this far, it makes sense to drive to Thessaloniki for some shopping, food, and coffee. We took our friend's advice and went to Dionos to eat those meatballs he spoke so highly of. They specialize in gyros and souvlaki, sorry for my pronunciation. So we ordered meatballs, Dionos salad with feta cheese and beetroot, and tzatziki as always. The meatball portions are quite generous, so you can order a plate to share if you're not too hungry. 10 out of 10 for the food, fast service, and friendly staff. We can easily say after our experience that it is an excellent choice for traditional Greek meatballs. We also saw many locals eating there, so we didn't feel like we were in a tourist trap. After walking around and shopping in Thessaloniki, we drove back to Kavala to catch the sunset at the Old Town. When in the Old Town, naturally, we stopped by to get freshly baked, authentic, classic Kavala cookies from the best Kavala cookie shop, Boulangerie Boutique by Chef Konstantinos. The chef himself is really there. The next day, our lovely Airbnb hosts suggested a beach where we could spend the entire day at. We found Batis Multiplex Kavala to be very family-friendly, clean, comfortable to swim and sunbathe at. The entrance fee is only €2 and it includes a sunbed, umbrella, water is 50 cents, and there are fast food options as well as salads for people that would prefer a lighter meal. We ended our day at a restaurant called Sosuro that was recommended to us, and it was quite satisfactory. We honestly have never had a bad experience at any restaurant in Greece, and this was no exception. We loved the fried squid and octopus, Greek salad, grilled eggplant, fried feta cheese with honey, and tzatziki. Thank you for joining our weekend getaway to Greece. See you on our next trip.